Hello everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at this prop right here, the Gemfan Flash 6042. So first take a look at this flight footage and then we'll come back and talk about how this prop performs. Okay, so the first thing I noticed when I took off with this prop is that it is a very fast prop. It is the fastest prop I have flown ever, 5-inch or 6-inch, by a long shot. So this prop cruises super fast, and I really like that about it. And even though it cruises really fast, it is not super hungry on the amps. At full throttle, it pulls about 110 amps on this rig. Compared to the Dow 6040, which I run a lot, this one only pulls about 80 amps. However, this prop makes way more thrust, and it makes it very efficiently. So when you're cruising in the low revs, it's not pulling many amps at all. And I still get about 4 minutes flight time on this rig, which is about the same as with the Dow 6040 and the Racecraft 6032. However, I'm covering a lot more distance with this prop because it is a lot faster. So you could make the argument that this prop is even more efficient than some of the other 6-inch props that I've flown. So it's fast, it's powerful. Let's talk about the control, which is one of the most important aspects of a prop, I think. So if you didn't see my review of the Racecraft 6032, I said that this prop has some amazing control feel. It feels just like a 5-inch tri-blade. And that still stands. I still think this has the best control feel of any 6-inch prop. The Gemfan does a good job, but it's got a very steep pitch to it, and props with steep pitches tend to have worse control feel than ones with shallower pitches. So I think they've done a good job handling that, though. It's not terrible. It's not amazing, but it's definitely good enough for acro flying and whatnot. So I would compare the control feel of this prop to the Dow 6040, which is pretty respectable because the Dow 6040 has pretty good control feel. It's a pretty low pitch prop, and it grips pretty well. So they've maintained a pretty good control feel with this prop, but it's just not best in class like the Racecraft 6032. However, I would say the control feel of the Gemfan is very buttery. When you have real grippy props like the tri-blade right here, it's not as buttery feeling. It's more crispy. So that's all up to personal preference. So 5-inch guys probably like that crispy feeling. I personally like the buttery feeling. And when I sat down to review the footage of my flights on these props, the footage was really buttery. Everything was super flowy, and I really like that look. And it feels really buttery in the air. So it's just I don't know. I just really like how the prop feels, and it produces good footage, no jello or anything like that. So I'm not going to complain about the control feel. But if you want a really crispy prop, this might not be what you're looking for. So let's talk about durability of this prop. So it weighs about 4.8 grams, which is reasonably heavy, especially considering it is a bi-blade. So the Racecraft 6032 is around 4.5 grams, so it's lighter than the Gemfan 6042, but it has an extra blade, so that really contributes to the really good control feel of this prop. But it also makes this prop not that durable, especially compared to this prop right here. So you can see the design in terms of durability is very good. You can see there's a lot of meat where the prop meets the hub. If you look at the Racecraft 6032, you can see the blade narrows before it gets to the hub, so that's not a good idea. And just the amount of material that this prop has also makes it very durable. So I haven't crashed this prop too much, but I can just tell from the design that is an extremely durable 6-inch prop, and this is definitely the most durable 6-inch prop that I have ever taken a look at. So A+ for the durability of this prop and the design in terms of durability. So I think that's all I wanted to cover with this prop. Would I recommend you try this prop? Absolutely. I would say this is my favorite 6-inch prop so far. It's really fast, it's got a lot of power, it has efficient power, and it has a nice buttery control feel, and it's very durable, so a lot of good points going for this prop. Some upcoming props that I would like to take a look at as well: the Emax Flowride, or whatever they're calling it now, 6-inch bi-blade prop just came out, so I might be taking a look at that. I'm not really sure how I feel about tri-blades still, because yeah, they have a lot of grip, but you don't really need that grip on 6-inch because the 6-inch bi-blade already has a ton of grip. So I think 3 blades is a little unnecessary unless you're running a very heavy rig. So there are the Lumenier Butter Cutter 6-inch tri-blades out. There is the HQ 6x4x3 that just came out. But I'm not sure if I want to bother taking a look at those props, just because I've never really been a fan of 6-inch tri-blades. Alright, that's it for this one, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about this prop down in the comments below, and also let me know what kind of videos you would like to see in the future. And other than that, like this video if you liked it, and get subscribed if you want to see more content like this in the future. Thanks for watching.